Adding your name to your iPhone 16's lock screen lets you personalize your device while making it easily identifiable as yours. There are two ways to add your name to your iPhone's lock screen. This video will show you how it's done. The first method is using focus mode. To get this done, pull down the control center on your iPhone, then tap on Focus. Next, tap on Add Focus and then select Custom. Type your name. You can also choose a color or an icon to use. Once you're done with your selection, tap Next and then tap Customize Focus. You can just leave the notification settings as default. Apply necessary customizations to your focus and then tap Done to save. After creating and customizing the focus, head back to the control center and tap on the focus icon to enable the focus that you've recently created. By then, you should see your name will now appear at the bottom of the lock screen when the focus mode is enabled. The second method to add your name to the lock screen is using a third-party app. There are a number of apps designed for this purpose, but let's just pick any text as an example. So, the first thing you need to do is download and install the app from the App Store. As soon as the app is installed, launch it and tap on Get Started. To continue, type the name that you'd like to appear on the lock screen and then exit the app. The next thing you need to do is to add the widget to your iPhone's lock screen. To get this done, go to the lock screen, then tap and hold on an empty area until the edit options appear. Tap Customize and then tap on the widget area. Scroll to find any text and then choose your preferred widget size. You can also customize the widget if you'd like. Finally, tap Done to save your settings. After doing all that, you should already be able to see your name displayed in the widget area of your lock screen. We hope that this video is able to help you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to help our channel grow. We really appreciate your support. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more tech tips and tutorials videos.